Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm going to be going through some of the key features on the Toyota Corolla XL. This is a hybrid model. The first feature, as you can see at the front of the car, is the bi-LED headlamps. So really clever technology. The brightest allows you to see and be seen as well. It's excellent. You've also got the LED fog lamps at the front as well. Front and rear sensors, rear camera. Next thing is your 18-inch diamond machined base alloy wheels. The next thing on this XL model is the hatchback. This one has got the two-tone paintwork. So the black roof and the silver paintwork, really nice modern look. Adds to the feel of the car. Going inside the car now, you've got the keyless entry. That's for the XL model as well. And then you have your full leather sports seats with the red accents in the front, which is really nice. That's for the XL model. Full leather in the back, 2 sets of ISOFIX points. There's many more features, of course, that are on all the Corollas on lower trim levels. I'm just pointing out the main extras on the XL. So you can see you've got the red stitching on the dash as well. All on the top. It's a really lovely vehicle. You've also got the stitching all around the gear stick as well. So really lovely vehicle. So that's some of the main features on the Toyota Corolla Hybrid XL. You've got the full LED bi-LED headlamps, the 18-inch machined alloy wheels, the two-tone paintwork, and the full leather interior in black with the red accents as well. So it's a stunning vehicle. It is the top of the range car, flagship car that you would have seen in the adverts when it was first launched back in 2019-2020. This is a late 2020 model. And it's a really lovely vehicle with full Toyota history. We will also give it a thorough inspection through our Honda workshop before it does leave us as well. And it does also come with our 6 months warranty as standard as well. As you can see there as well, it's fully prepared, so it's all ready to go. You've also got the next base dash cam. They work with Toyota and it's all wired in, etc., which is great. So that's who Toyota uses, the next base cams, which is excellent. Works really well. So you have that peace of mind as well, and that little extra. So it's got pretty much everything on it. It's low mileage, full history. Really lovely self-charging hybrid vehicle. If you have got any questions about this Toyota Corolla XL, please don't hesitate to contact us. It's an excellent price. It's lower price on Auto Trader currently, so it's a steal. Thank you for watching this short video, and we hope to see you very shortly.